Good morning from this beautiful national park in the Netherlands. My name's Andy, and if you've just joined us, we're riding our folding bikes around the Netherlands. We started in Amsterdam just a few days ago, rode out to the coast, camped out for a couple of nights in the dunes on the way up. This is our map here. It is not a bicycle map. However, I've printed out some extra pages from the internet and glued it on here. It's always important to use the best quality and most up-to-date maps you can find. The way to navigate on these Dutch cycle trails is when you get to an intersection, you'll see a series of markers. So these markers will have numbers, and you just pick the number that you want to go to, and then you ride to it. We've been following this LF coast route, the Eurovelo 12. These little mushroom looking markers tell you how far it is to the nearest towns. So you can pick your route by number, or you can navigate to the nearest town. Easy.
We've reached marker 73, and generally at the markers they have a broader map so you can plan out your next moves. 25.
Let the beat control your brain. Let the beat control your mind. What you gonna do when I'm stepping inside with a beat so sick that you can't deny it? What are you gonna do now? Stop. Beat time. Let the beat control your brain. Let the beat control your brain. It controls your brain like hypnotized, and you can't deny that it's on your mind all the time. This beat, cause so sick that you can't defeat. Let the beat control your brain. Let the beat control your brain. Let the beat control your brain.
Good morning from this beautiful campsite somewhere at the top of North Holland. We really needed a little bit of rest and relaxation after our very long ride yesterday. This is a very beautiful campsite here. I'll put the link down below so you can find it for yourself. But for now, it's all mine.
We're about to cross the Afsluitdijk. It's the biggest dike in the Netherlands, and we're catching the bus to go across.
Ja. 3. Strikje is goed. Ja, prima. We trekken meteen. En kun je wel een ander schema op lopen. Is dat vast?
Ja. Rock on.
We have a flat tire in the most inconvenient place. We're about 4 to 5 k's from Harlingen.
There it is. That ought to hold it. Well, what a hell of a day. We crossed the Afsluitdijk, which was just incredible. We had bike trouble and wanted to pick up a tyre in Harlingen. Little did we know that it's a village. We had to limp the broken bike all the way to the train station in Harlingen and then train to Leeuwarden. We went to the Decathlon in Leeuwarden just before it closed. There was no 20-inch tyres there. The shop assistant was very good to me and found one out the back. So we came away triumphant. And then we pushed the bikes to a campsite about 5 kilometers out of town. Got our own canal side view. I'm sure we're gonna have the most perfect night's sleep. That's all I have to say for today. So we had problems with the tyre on Mel's bike yesterday. It had actually worn right through. It had worn right through the side here. The rim's not damaged, but it might not be completely true. And that might be what's doing that, but you know, after a few 100 kilometers, that's what happens. So, new tyre on the bike now. We're ready to leave here and head towards Groningen. Have you ever seen anything like this?
Nah, man.
That was a house! Another huge day of riding today. We're just in a forest near Drecken, and we're going to camp here tonight.